work out the length of the side AC there on that triangle. Right. The first thing there you see is that we have this side 46 meters and its opposite angle. We know that pair there, 32 degrees. You see that? That pair. That triggers the sine rule in my head, right? That's on page 16 in the logbook. Look it up. And then we just get the sine rule. This is the sine rule now for missing sides, so it goes something like A over sine A, where big A is the angle, small a is the length of the side, equals B over sine B. So we just need matching here. So for small a here, we can have 46 meters over sine 32 degrees equals, now what are we looking for? AC, right? We can call that x, equals x over the sine of 35 degrees, because x and 35 form a kind of an opposite matching pair. And now we want x on its own, so we multiply both sides by sine 35, and that will cause sine 35 to go up and across there. So you'll end up 46 multiplied by sine 35 degrees, and that will be still divided by sine 32 degrees, and that equals x. So just bring it up here. X equals 46 times sine 35 degrees all over sine 32 degrees, and you can stick that into the calculator as it is. Get the fraction key, type in 46 sine 35 degrees, close the bracket, go downstairs and type in sine 32, close the bracket, press equals, and I get for x, the side length x, 49.789, so I'm going to go 79 rounded to 2 decimal places. And what are we talking about? The units are meters. Don't forget your units. And that's about it. Job done.